today's vlog. Untayo man, magna. Sos, kita nyo dito yung basura da. Naka-aryak, nakapunpundo. Sa damang lukloko ni. Tati, i-vlog tayo. Tawa. Hello, ante.
Oh, kaanakan. Anya ajay.
Ante, mapasak dito yung samang tibalayo. Kaya nga nag-aro basura. Mas lang nga pang may sa Domingo. Kaya nga niya nakulkulik. Sige, ante, saan to kalagtan nagtawag ta? I-vlog ko man dito yung problema.
Thank you.
Oh, tumatawag din. Hello, Mrs. Yes po, speaking. If your trash is not segregated, we will not collect them po.
Sige kap, thank you.
Hello, ante. Sige, tas ang tuwag tumawag after 10 minutes. Oh, tawagan tayo ni auntie. Oh, welcome auntie. So guys, to sum up our vlog for today, we to segregate our waste is in barangay officials are not responsible for our trash. Remember, cleanliness starts home. That's all today's vlog. Bye-bye! Oh, now I'm talking to my aunt. Oh, hello auntie, anya di bagam?
I-vlog mo daytoy. Ta anya ba jay bagbaga ni kap nga waste segregation?
Waste segregation is the separation of trash. Waste segregation means sorting your trash into different bins based on type, like separating waste, foods, dry waste, and this helps recycle materials better, reduce pollution, and keep the environment clean. It makes waste easier to manage and lessen harmful impact on nature.
What is waste segregation? Because earlier, I called Kapitan. Then she said they will not collect my trash, our trash, if they are not segregated.
Auntie, may mayat no isort na laang. We have a law that states waste segregation is mandatory, so LEDU is labeled if your trash is not collected because it's segregated. That is RA 9003. Diba guys?
I'm glad that you explain what is waste segregation. Alright, salamat na explain mo. I will call Kapitan to apologize about my behavior and tone earlier.
Segregate dahil jay basura dan, ang awante problema. Oh, tumatawag man nun. Yes, hello ma'am. What can I do for you? Understand? Yes po. Tomorrow we will collect our trash po again. I hope you understand po. Yes po. Remember po na palagi niyo pong i-segregate yung basura niyo para po makollect namin. Yes po. Thank you, ma'am.
Sige kap, thank you.
So guys, to sum up our vlog for today, we to segregate our waste is in barangay officials are not responsible for our trash. Remember, cleanliness starts home. That's all today's vlog. Bye-bye!